Hello everyone, welcome to an unboxing. Actually more of an unbagging actually. Alright. Bravo Concealment, 30-day money back guarantee, unlimited lifetime warranty. Alright, this is going to be my winter experiment. This is for my Glock 17 and my new Streamlight TLR1S Lite. This is the outside the waistband holster. Seems to fit pretty well. A little loose over here. There's a tension right there. Screw. Hopefully that will do a trick. But quality seems to be very nice. Bravo like this is my second go around with Bravo company. And the inside of the waistband holster, this actually fits real nice. I mean, there's no movement here at all. I guess I really do have to mess with this tension screw here. But this fits real nice, especially the inside of the waistband holster one. And the greatest thing about these, that because Glocks and the Streamlight are so popular, I didn't wait long. I think I waited a week exactly to get this. Generally, light holsters are custom orders, and it takes a few weeks to quite a few weeks to get your order in. So this is going to be my winter experiment. I'm planning to wear these starting December 1st for the next 4 months. And I plan to give you a full report on these in April. Let's see how this works now. Did the tension screw a little bit. Yep, much better. Not great. Still a little play there, but this is strictly for the Generation 3, I think, if I remember right. This is buy one get one free. A pre-Black Friday sale. $100 with the holsters for less than $40, and it included free shipping. You know what, before we shut this video down, I think I'm going to see if this actually fits my Glock 19 since we're here. Alright. Alright. Okay, let's try the outside of the waistband holster first. Yeah, there isn't much difference there. This fits real nice. I was considering getting 2 more for my Glock 19 with the buy one get one free, but man, I'd have to. Well, I may get one for the Glock 19. There's definitely a little bit more looseness to the outside of the waistband holster. But the inside of the waistband holster, real damn good. So there you have it, folks. Buy one get one free Black Friday sale for my Glock 17 and my Streamlight TLR-1S Lite. I'm really impressed with the inside the waistband holster right now. I mean, there's no movement here with either this or the Glock 19. Outside, a little loose. With the Glock 17, definitely a little bit more with the Glock 19. So I'll have to work on this a little bit more, I guess. Regardless, this is going to be my wintertime experiment with both these holsters. So I plan to give you a full report on this in April after carrying this. After carrying this for 4 months. I'm planning to use these for December, January, February, and March. So remember, folks, carry your weapon everywhere. Protect your loved ones. If you don't do it, no one's going to do it for you, especially the government. If you live in a red state or a red city, I'm sorry, a blue state and a blue city, it's just not going to happen right now. This Trump thing's not over. Keep Trump and the team, his legal team, all the good guys in prayer. We're going to need them. The next few weeks are going to be pretty intense. Keep your eyes open, avoid trouble, and we'll talk to you next video. These were the Bravo concealment holsters for the Glock 17 with the TLR Streamlight light. We'll talk to you next video.